What's something people don't know about growing sticky icky buds? Well, here's a little secret that might just blow your mind. Literally. The wind has a hidden power that can transform your cannabis garden into a resin-rich paradise. Intrigued? Let's dive into this breezy hack. The wind has secrets, my friend. Let's unlock them together. You see, a gentle breeze can do wonders for your plants, encouraging them to produce more resin as a natural defense mechanism. But how do you harness this power effectively? First up, grab 1 to 2 oscillating fans and position them about 6 to 8 feet away from your plants. This distance ensures that the airflow is gentle yet effective, mimicking the natural wind conditions that cannabis plants thrive in. Set them to low or medium speed to mimic a natural breeze. You want to create a gentle, consistent airflow that encourages your plants to sway slightly, just like they would in the wild. No hurricane winds here, folks. The goal is to create a stress-free environment that still challenges your plants enough to boost their resin production. Just a gentle sway to make your branches dance a bit. This movement strengthens the plant structure and encourages the production of more trichomes, those tiny resin glands that hold all the good stuff. Be careful to avoid windburn. Nobody wants crispy leaves. Monitor your plants closely and adjust the fan speed if you notice any signs of stress. Timing is key with this technique. Start during the last 2 or 3 weeks of flowering, when trichome production is peaking. This is the critical period when your plants are most responsive to environmental changes. Run those fans for 18 to 20 hours a day, but give your plants a 4 to 6 hour break. This simulates the natural day-night cycle and prevents overstressing your plants. Even plants need a nap, right? Now let's talk about temperatures. Pairing airflow with the right temperature can make a huge difference. Pair the airflow with cooler nighttime temps. Think 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. This combination signals the plant to protect its buds with extra resin, enhancing both potency and flavor. Basically, you're telling your plants it's sweater weather. Keep an eye on your plants. Regular monitoring ensures that you catch any issues early and adjust conditions as needed. If you see curled leaves or overly dry buds, reduce the fan speed. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your plants are happy and thriving. Aim for 40–50% humidity to keep mold at bay while optimizing resin output. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy plants and maximizing your yield. Some pro tips. Stagger the fan angles to avoid direct hits on the buds. Strengthen those stems with early veg airflow, and keep the fans running up to harvest to deter mold. These small adjustments can make a big difference in the quality of your harvest. Why does this work? Gentle wind stress triggers a defense response, boosting terpenes and cannabinoids. This not only enhances the plant's aroma and flavor, but also its overall potency. Combined with cooler nights, this hack mimics mountain climates where cannabis naturally thrives, maximizing resin as a natural shield. Happy 420ths, everyone! Enjoy those trichome-rich buds!